My prediction in the next 12 to 18 months is that call centers and any business that employs sales staff that are calling and dialing and closing are going to go through a period of massive prosperity. But it's not all good news, because a lot of those staff are going to be completely redundant and replaced with AI. And the reason why I know this is because I'm seeing it happen right now. We advise clients on implementing AI automations into their business, and I had a call with an 8-figure business owner the other day, and he was like, "Oh my God, Dan, I'm looking around my staff at the moment, and this is quite sad, but I'm not going to need you, I'm not going to need you, I'm not going to need you." And he's already planning what that's going to look like, because at the end of the day, these businesses have to make profit, and they've been struggling now for so many years. But this is coming, and it's coming fast.